Kevin from K25 Diagnostics here. Just a little update on the latest version of Jaltest 26.1, which was released at the start of March 2026. Some huge developments here on certain makes and models that were highly requested from some of our material handling customers. One of them I'm going to highlight in this video here is the Nissan K21 K25 engine platforms. This is one we get asked about quite often. Finally, as of 26.1 software release, we will have access to those Nissan engines. So just to show you kind of what we have available here, if I go into forklifts, I'm going to click on Nissan, and we're just going to take like an AF30 series internal combustion forklift. And you'll see here that we have listed the K21, K25 engines. This was non-existent prior to this release in the Jaltest software. So now we have quite a few customers here that are updating the software to get this access, or actually looking at purchasing the Jaltest kits because we have this access amongst some others I'll share in other videos as well. If we look at the K21, K25 and we hit the connector button, you'll see this forklift uses an OBD2 cable. We're going to go ahead and hit connect, and then we'll be able to see what functions and capabilities we have available here. So obviously fault code reading, clearing, some system data, it's pretty standard. Monitoring of parameters, so we should be able to go in here and actually look at some live data depending on what's available, so we can see engine speed. It might be a good one, throttle valve positions, ignition timing, O2 sensor values, that kind of thing. So we can graph those if we want, or we can view them in a list or as a gauge, just like all of our other platforms. And then under system checks, this is going to be the only bidirectional command that we have right here is injection time. So it will go through and walk us through exactly what that's all about. But we can run this the system check through the Jaltest software here without relying on the dealer. So that's the K21, K25 engine platforms. So those will be populated throughout based on what makes and models uses them. So yes, K21, K25 engine is in there now. You should have your full capabilities in there for fault code reading, clearing fault codes, and viewing live data. So the next one we'll talk about in an upcoming video is Raymond, is another big one that was added in the 26.1 release. So catch that video coming up next regarding the Raymond forklift coverage.